me be this. Jesus, you too much. I bless you, my son. No.
Sit down.
Oh God of mercy, I thank you so much.
Omo body just sweet me. No one can see Untouchable with Flowerboy. They go shake Flowerboy mama leg. They shake her leg. Omo, now only tears just in my eye. Even as I dey smile now, yeah. As I watch the video, I just dey cry because I dey feel that pain of mama. Mama when we say don't they see children that they succeed after so many pains. You know wetin it be to be a widow and to raise children now. So Untouchable na my guy normally. I just too like Untouchable comedy normally right from time. Na just my guy. He don't know me about me. I be your #1 fan for UK here. So I dey follow you steady back to back. So at the time I can't begin to see Flowerboy. They are two look alike. I can't even say they be blood brothers, but still that one I go verify and share because I dey come find you very soon for Nigeria. You go must tell me one or two how you take dey run your matter because me I be your #1 the champion for here. You understand? So they go check Flowerboy mama leg go. As Flowerboy as una know for the social media space, he buy one Lexus car a few days ago, brand new. So as it be now, momsi go first enjoy that kind of feeling, say my pikin don't succeed. So they constantly they go home, make they go see Flowerboy mama. If you see tears, if you see love, if you see tears, man. Mona just watch the video, make una see how mama take the love pikin. You ain't born pikin, I beg. Give your pikin the best so that when your pikin don't grow, he go see fall back to base. Can appreciate you. Mona see the way motherly love they be now. Mona see am.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Flowerboy. So today I deal with my brother.
Untouchable comedy. Who dey?
So guys, we are going to the village to surprise my mom with my baby. As it dey hot, it dey burn. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's just get a reaction. Let me surprise her with my new car. Let's see how it goes.
No matter what you do, mama go love you.
Flower, don't do them wrong. Who dey?
I'm the first in my family. Normal. Let's go.
Hey, for you. How far?
Look at this fine picture.
You got pasta! I shouldn't know!
Joy!
My love! Where Grace? Uncle Parada! This God is wonderful! Oh, Jesus, thank you! Testimony giver, you have done it again! Thank God I'm answering my prayers, not it. Hey! Let me be this! Hey! Jesus, you too much! Jesus, you too much! Jesus, you too much! You have done it again in my life! Oh! How do I thank you? Merciful Father, how do I thank you? The Father of the fatherless, the husband of the widow. You are answer our tears. You are wiping away our sorrow. God, I thank you so much. I thank you, Jehovah Overdue. You have blessed me with children indeed. You have blessed me. My Father has blessed me. Has wiped away my tears. Now me be this. Oh God of mercy, I thank you so much. You have blessed me indeed. You have answered my prayer. God, I thank you so much. The God of Pastor Kora, I thank you. The God of Pastor Kora, I thank you. You have done it all. Indeed, you stand in that God that there is no Father. Father, you have answered me all. I bless your name. You too much, Father. Thank you. Thank you for giving me lovely children. Thank you for wiping away their tears. I bless you, my son. I bless you, I bless you, I bless you. I bless you, Untouchable. Tell my son, no, you will never regret. Untouchable, too much. You too much, my son. Hey!
Don't make me cry.
God answer our prayer. God will toss us answer your throne. Thank you, my children. I bless you now, Hando. I bless you now, Hamwa. This is just a touch to know. Pastor Christ, we can say that is a master. He must manifest fully. I bless you, children. I bless you. Where is my daughter? Hey, where is Grace now? I bless you, children. God will open more doors for now. More doors will open. This one is just a tutu. You will drive car, you start to dash people car. I bless you people in Jesus' name. God, I bless you for answering me. Chai, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am too blessed. I am too blessed. I have 50 children. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Untouchable driver.
Come from the other side.
Your son don't tell me driver. Your son don't tell me driver.
Wow! Hey! Jesus, I thank you. Hey! Why you open all this for me? Chai! Where the poor are? Hey! Let me be this. Oh, the God of Pastor Koro, thank you. Yeah, I am blessed. This vehicle will go far. This vehicle will bring more vehicle. It will bring more testimony. It will bring joy. It will open doors for Honda. Enemy will never see Honda. Oh, God of mercy, accident will never be Honda portion. Amen. In Jesus' name. Say, thank you, my son. You are the father indeed. No one that call you my rock. You are the rock indeed. Chai, I am blessed. Enter, where my daughter? Where my baby? Hey! Hey, Jesus, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Who will mock me again when God is in that guy? Untouchable! Say, I am too blessed. I am blessed. Oh, see your friends, they have come. Jesus, thank you.
What's up, Flowerboy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mommy, go and show. Yes.
Mr.
You are
Man,
blessed.
I agree.
Amen.
She didn't tell me that. Thank you so much.
Wonder, respect yourself. Yeah.
Now you want drive now.
Okay, now you want drive. I haven't drive now.
You might drive.
Who?
Thank you. You reject that look away and show you. I wash you.
We drive come. We drive come. Your daughter will drive come. Just
I will pursue you.
Okay, no be this one I've been carrying.
Hey!
Now this one. Okay.
Hey!
So Baba, you no go enter. Go.
I don't go enter. I was say which country? My friend, I place this car with milk and honey. And this wine is flowing. That is why the thing will flow everywhere. The money will be flowing. Oh!
Mama, na me dey tell una steady, Malena Male. Omo, you no see am. Untouchable. I be your number one, the champion. Flowerboy, I beg. I go come. We go there normally. We go there. I just like una. I like una. The way you do your mom see so. You know, say you don't add 10 years for her life. As you go give her that joy. You don't add 10 years for her life. Guys, I beg, Mona take off on her mother. Mona give on her mother joy. It is very important. We still young. Anything we feel do for them more ground. Now where they go 9 years. Now the joy you give them and they'll take follow carry go. I beg. This one a real love and I appreciate them well. Flowerboy, big up to you. Untouchable, my brother. Big up to you. Big up to you.
Father, how do I thank you? the father of the fatherless, the husband of the widow. You are answer our tears.